And we're both from Brooklyn.
We live blocks from each other.
Hey, Barry, narrate the whole bottom. Like what's been done to the car. Yeah, serious.
We did. We took out multi-leaf suspension and put in a mono-leaf. We also put in coilovers. They're fully adjustable TCI coilovers, aluminum bodies. The frame rail connectors are custom done. The Caltracs are actually custom made Caltracs. Got a true 3-inch exhaust all the way through. Drive shaft loop. The headers are long tube hooker headers, 2-inch primaries, 3.5-inch collectors. You have a turbo 350 Hughes 3000 stall converter and a shift kit. All aluminum braided, all aluminum fuel lines. Got a transmission cooler. It's a rail transmission cooler.
I can't. It's a little dark, but it's okay. Fuel lines.
Yeah, all the fuel line. Battery was relocated to the trunk.
Dry shaft, rebalance.
Yeah, drive shaft is balanced.
What kind of fuel pump is it?
Holly fuel pump.
That's it, huh?
The rear end's got an Eaton Posi with 373 gears.
Okay.
We put a kick down in here so we don't have to shift it. Just punch it and she drops itself.
Really?
It's a big motor.
Yeah. The guy actually